How to create Shine Affiliate Program account, Shine Affiliate Program tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you're going to actually become a publisher for Shine. And obviously, we know that Shine is an incredible online store. Okay, you can order the greatest amounts of things onto it. It's a pretty fun thing to get your head around. It's basically your Amazon and a pretty fancy Amazon, pretty nice looking Amazon with a better UI and a better working ethic, if you know what I mean. So, what you can do to get on to the Shein affiliate program. So you're going to come to shein.com/affiliate/register. And once you're over here, what you're simply going to do is you're going to come to new to publisher program. Obviously, we are new to it. So you're going to go ahead and add your name, add the country you are going to be working from, or the country that you're going to be operating from, add in the email address, and then you are going to want to make sure to go ahead and input the password. So once you've entered the passwords for your pages, simply click on next. And once you click on next, there you go. So now what you're going to do is it's going to say, in order to ensure that your application can be passed successfully, fill the details as much as possible. So what is your promotional type going to be? I'm going to go with individual. Let's go with an account name. I'm going to go with this, and it's going to give you the PayPal account. So obviously this is just to verify you and how everything works. So you're going to choose your main promotional market. What country is your promotional market from? Let's say I'm going to go over here, monthly average traffic. I'm going to go with AK. Now, once you do that, obviously choose how many promotional markets you have. Then you're going to choose your promotional type. Okay. So your promotional type could be any of one of these. It could be website. You could have some type of store where you're doing, affiliation or brand promotion, etc. Then once you've gotten the idea of this, then there's a whole lot of other things like paid search. There's email marketing that you can start, coupon value proposition, merchant product review, blogging, mobile traffic. I'm gonna go with the website right now. And once we go with the website, it says please fill in a representative URL. So I actually have a website on Blogger. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose the website off of Blogger. And once we've gotten the website, what we're going to do is we're going to add the URL for that into the section for that. And once we add that, yeah, we're pretty much going to be set to go. So I'm going to copy this. And once we copy this, come back here, add in the URL over here. I'm going to remove these things out. And here it says, have you collaborated with us previously? So if you haven't, you can simply go with no. It's going to ask you your PayPal account. Just go ahead and add that and click on next. Now it's going to ask you to read the whole policy. You can just agree with it and click on submit. And there you go. Your application is successful. Obviously, it's going to take up to 24 hours to verify it. But while it's being verified, let's get into the working process of this, okay? So the working process of Shein Affiliate works somewhat this way. So achieve a win-win situation with your customers by joining our affiliate program. We have one of the best or the biggest online clothing retailers that you are looking forward to sharing our resources with you. Earn commissions on all referred sales just by referring customers to Shein.com. We have several affiliate programs, Shein official affiliate and partner affiliate platforms. Choose one and be part of the team right now. Obviously, you can go ahead and get that set for yourself. So, affiliate promotes Shein on social platforms. Potential customers click on the posts. Customers order at Shein, and the affiliate, which is going to be us, receives. So, obviously, I already have an affiliate account, but it's being verified. So we do have to let it verify. So you're gonna want to have to wait for that. But while it's being verified, let's talk about how we're gonna be like, let's say in my case, I have a website, right? So what you can do is you're going to take a product off of Shein. So once you take a Shein product, obviously it's like Amazon affiliation. It's going to give you a strip that whenever you choose a product, it's going to give you the product key for that product. Now, Once you've gotten the product key, you're simply going to go over to websites and you can also see the benefits you get. So 10 to 20% commission on each referred sale, extra monthly cash bonuses by sharing promotions. You get new monthly profitable activities. You can update banners and coupons, and you get newsletters when new activity and promotions are updated with 30-day cookie duration. You can also get your own customer benefits where you can get over 2 million items in stock, affordable prices, you get 24/7 customer service and live chat service, and no questions asked, return, and refund. You can join them right now by registering, so 10 to 20% commission per order. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy, and it's a pretty good way to get started with all of this. So yeah, that's the general idea of your Shein affiliation. And what you're simply going to do is you can also use these partner affiliate platforms. Like previously, when Shein did not give affiliation themselves, what they did was they chose CJ Affiliate. Okay. And CJ Affiliate was also a great third party provider that people used to, actually get their Shein affiliation. And it's a pretty well known and well used affiliation platform. Then you have things like Share a Sale, Pepper Jam as well that you can use. But yeah, Shein has its own affiliation now, so it shouldn't be an issue. But yeah, moving on. Let's say we're gonna go over to men fashion over here. And as you come to men fashion, here you can see you get a lot of clothing that's in nowadays. So you're going to choose any type of clothing that we're going to want to, actually do some affiliation for. So I'm going to go with this one. This one looks like a good shirt and a shirt that a lot of people would buy. So once you go with this shirt, you can take off its image by screenshotting it. And once you've got the image, what you can do from there is you can actually go ahead and create a design out of it or add it or hyperlink it to your website to give people an idea of it. And you can also go ahead and use it on different platforms like TripAdvisor and a whole lot more. So, yeah, that's the general idea of how we're going to work with all of this and how you're going to, create a Sheen affiliate programming account and, yeah, become an affiliate. So that's the general idea and the general working of Sheen and how you are going to become an affiliate. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching all the way till the end, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I will be making a whole lot more for you. But yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I will be seeing all of you wonderful people in the next video. Goodbye.